Today it looks like I have a situation. I have this fencing for about 16 years. I put this temporary timber to hold this post because apparently this post is wobbly and it's very hard to close. So what happened here is like the other post from the other video. The builder who built this fence did not put a concrete to hold this post. So after about 14 to 15 years, the timber start to rot, and there's nothing that can hold the timber. So the timber start to wobble a lot compared to the other posts from this side. He did a good job. They put a concrete that can hold the post, but not on that side. So in this project, I'll add another post next to this post. I'm not gonna remove this, so I'll add another post and put a gap around 8 to 10 centimeters. I'll dig a hole 40 centimeters in depth, and then I'm going to add the concrete that can hold the post and will last much longer. Okay, stay tuned and enjoy the video. Okay, this is how far I've done. So I've digged the hole. It's about 40 to 45. I'm not 100% sure. I also managed to, put the timber right in the good spot. I apologize for not filming the process of digging the hole because it's a hideous hard work all by myself. So I also put the screw in and steady, and I also put a screw on the slipper and hook into this old post so that it has a nice grip. And I also do the leveling, everything nice and level. It's not crooked, so I'm quite happy with this. And the next step will be putting the concrete into the holes. Alright, so let's do it. Okay, I think that's it for this video. As you can see, the post has been set up or installed properly, and I have added 2 screws here, just in case, and I'll do the rest from the top to the bottom tomorrow. And the gatekeeper has been replaced with the new one, and as you can see, it can slide in and slide out nice and easy. That's it for this video. I hope you find this video useful, and if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and consider subscribe to my channel. Until then, thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Bye.